Welcome everyone, today we're going to be doing a halo eye look. Now you need about 3 eyeshadow, then another one for a highlighting. And that's about it, actually about 2 or 3. And you're going to need some glitter. But before we get started, please hit that notification button so it can notify you of future videos of me. Or you can also hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and check out my Instagram. Now let's get started on this fall look. You're going to need a fluffy brush, some glitter, that was annoying, some lashes, a mascara, and I'm going to use a Barbie palette. And the first color we're going to reach into is this one right here. You're going to need any brown that looks like this. Just a light shade as the transition shade, whatever you want to call it, the base shade. And we're going to start by tapping on the color. Just tap, 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 tap. And then start blending out a bit from the front. Sorry about that. And then start blending it out, going out back. Now at first you're not going to be able to see the eyeshadow too well, only because you have to like pack on the color. So don't worry about it if it doesn't show up right away. You got to keep doing it. I'm going to go back and blend it out. And you're going to grab more of that eyeshadow and pat it on to get the color on. And you're going to blend from the front, then going to the back. Blending is a back and forth motion and a circular motion. You can extend it as far as you want, but I'm going to keep it short and end it about right there in the corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to reach back into the palette and grab this dark brown. If you have any brown that looks like this, it is just a simple matte brown. And you're going to apply that to the outer corner of your eye. So you're going to start stamping it out. This is the general area where you want it, and the outer corner of your eye and the outer V. You're going to blend it a bit. Go back and stamp more color on, just a bit. And then you're going to do back and forth motion as well as circular motion, very small. You don't want to go too high, just in that inner V area and a little bit in the outer V, not too high. If mine looks a little bit off, don't worry, that's just actually lighting, the way the light hit it, but it's not actually uneven. So sometimes if you take a picture and you want your makeup to look poppin' and it's not looking great, you might just actually have a lighting issue and not an actual eyeshadow issue. Just a quick note on that. Next, we're going to do the same to the front corner of the eye. Tap, tap, tap with that same color. Tap and then slowly blend it out. Tap, tap, tap. And you want to leave the middle area clear. You just want to get the outer V and the inner corner of the eye. Just like so. We're going to go back and get more eyeshadow, just a bit. And blend it out slowly, going upwards in a back and forth motion. Remember to leave the middle clear. And then we're going to go back and add a little bit more. Blend it out very carefully, circular motions. Blend out the front again, circular motion, back and forth. I want this to be nice and dark. Let's sweep that in just a bit. Sweep it in. Remember to leave the middle blank, and we're going to grab this gold color here. From the Endless Possibilities palette, you can use any, and you're going to use your finger. The reason I'm using my finger is because the finger picks up a lot of eyeshadow, and you're going to place it in the middle where you left that blank canvas. So you tapped on the color with your finger, and then we're going to go again and tap it again. Tap, 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 just in the middle. And then just smudge it with your finger, only in the middle area. You're going to grab your brush and just blend that out just a bit in the middle. Very light-handed, just a bit. You want the edges to look a little too rough. And they're going to go back again with the same color, the gold. And then smudge a little bit more with your finger. You're going to grab the same fluffy brush and you're going to start blending out the top just a bit. Back and forth, very light-handed. It's just to smoothen the texture of the top out. You're going to reach into a glitter. Now this is my NYX. And you're going to place that right on top of that gold color you put on your lid. Don't put too much, but don't be greedy also. Next, you're going to reach into a highlight color and just place it right by the brow bone. Just any light shade would do. Tap, tap, tap. Slowly blend it out. Back and forth motion. We're going to add a little bit more because we want it to look a little bit more brighter. And with the same highlight color, you're going to apply it to the inner corner of the eye. I'm using a Q-tip only because Q-tips do pick up a lot of shimmery and glitter eyeshadows really well. You can go back and blend it out with an actual brush, but this is just to apply it. So applying the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to use the Q-tip again to apply the dark brown underneath my waterline. Going halfway, and you're going to do the same to the front. Meet halfway. Then apply that gold eyeshadow you had on your lid in the middle center of both of those you did. And then a little bit more just to make it pop. A little bit of glitter. We're going to grab the same eyeshadow again that we had, that highlighting one, and put a little bit more right by our brow bone, just because I wanted to make it pop, and I'm going to use a Q-tip this time. And we're going to put our mascara and then our lashes, and then we're pretty much done. So this is the finished product, guys. I really hope you enjoy this video. Very quick and very simple, perfect for the fall. So if you guys like this video, make sure to comment down below if you tried out this look or what look you want me to try out next. Don't forget to visit my social media handles. I will drop one down below, Facebook and Instagram, for more inspiration. Don't forget to hit that notification button, like and subscribe for more videos. I do upload maybe once a week or so, I try to. So stay tuned for more video, guys, for tutorials, reviews, and more. And I'll see you guys next time.